party, people. Don't jump with scissors in your hands, by the way. So today is a very special day for us, because guess what we're gonna do? We are going to reconnect with our inner child, okay? Oh, I needed that. Okay. Whew. Now that I'm almost 30, I can't like jump around too much, you know? It gets me winded. Anyway, so you're probably wondering, what is all of this candy doing on the table? And what does that have to do with reconnecting with our inner child? I'll have you know that this is all I loved as a child. Candy and music. Yeah, so I had the beautiful idea of making goodie bags for my neighbors as a way to say goodbye to all of them, because I realized that they would do that for every holiday. Like someone would just take the liberty of baking cookies or putting really expensive chocolates or just something really nice in the lobby area for every single floor. Like every floor of my building would do that. And I never did it in my time living here, so I was like, this is the perfect opportunity. So I went and got a bunch of my favorite candies. Not really, this is just all I could afford. Because I'm on a budget. But yeah, I was like, I'm going to do my own non-occasion goodie bag situation, and I'm just gonna put really cute little notes in them that have uplifting and encouraging messages written on them. And you all can help me with this process because I don't actually like know what I'm doing. Okay, so I got my baggies. I don't know if I have enough. It's like roughly 30. I don't know how many people live on the floor, so I'm sorry if I miss you. I've got blow pops. I love these as a child. But they always used to cut the roof of my mouth. So it was more like a love-hate relationship. Twix minis. They gotta be minis. Because, you know, we're watching calories. Then we've got a compilation bag of Skittles and Starbursts. Fun. I hope y'all can hear me, because if not, it's just gonna be like a really long video of me cutting open bags of candy, which is like equally as entertaining. Yeah. All right, cool. Smells like Lysol wipes. Then we've got some Hershey's chocolates. Gonna cut that open. And the goal is to just finish up as much of this as possible, because I'm not gonna eat it like at all. In fact, I'm starting my crash diet on May 1st, the same day that is the last day of me working at my job. So this is gonna be very exciting. Okay, why are we even trying? Let's just cut it. Some Ghirardelli squares. I hope they like chocolate, because I don't. Some more Ghirardelli squares. Lovely. Okay. Oh, what happened to this one? It's so good. And lastly, some Rice Krispie treats. I don't know why they put them in this kind of packaging. Yeah. Ooh, okay. All right, so now I'm going to first start with a note. And I'm going to say, you are beautiful every day, even when you don't feel like it, with a smiley face. Okay, These are really small notes. Cool. So now I'm going to take this note and put it, actually let's just hold off on that and fill this with, I don't know, random things. Oh my gosh, there's no watermelon ones in here. I knew this was a ripoff. Like, how could they give us so many? It's because they didn't. Some Skittles, some Starbursts, a Rice Krispie Treat, and a Riverdale Square, and okay, one of these. I feel like that's too much. Nah, no such thing. Now we'll put our note inside and say, "You are beautiful every day." Ta-da! Then we'll put a little twisty cap on it. Where are the twisty ties? Oh, you see? See, this is what I loved doing when I was a kid, especially for Valentine's Day. I loved Valentine's Day, even though I never, you know, had a Valentine. Well, my mom was actually always my Valentine. Yeah. She still is. No homo, like not in a weird way. Are we still allowed to say that? No homo. Anyways, moving on. So this is my first little goodie bag with the cute little note inside. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Can you see? Are you looking? Yeah, okay. So that's the first one. I'm really excited. So I'm gonna keep going until I hit 30. And then it's raining today, so I feel like, and let me see, I think it's raining tomorrow too. Okay, so tomorrow's also gonna be kind of cloudy. So I'm going to say on the next one, this has nothing to do with the weather, by the way. On the next one, I'm going to say, "You are an amazing mother." I really hope a man doesn't pick this up, or someone who doesn't have kids. Yeah, I don't care. So we're gonna put that on this Rice Krispie treat and put that in my bag. Oh my gosh, I can literally feel the stress leaving my body as we speak. Okay, great. So that'll go there, and then let's switch it up. So we'll do more of the Ghirardelli squares. Nah. One of these. And one of these. The red bag. Chocolates. And just more chocolates in general. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Yeah, we can't be doing too much, you know, because if you do, then you're gonna run out really fast. And I need to fill 30 bags. Awesome! Oh my gosh, I wonder what my mom is gonna think when she sees this. Like, wait a minute. This is what you're spending your money on? Goodie bags for your neighbors? Yes! 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 This is what I enjoy doing with my time. Gift giving, acts of services, hosting parties when I have a house. Like a place to live, I mean. I wouldn't mind hosting parties out of my car though. Like, you know how they used to do in the 90s? Like, open the trunk and there's a cooler and a sound system. And everybody's hanging out outside with the music. Yeah, good stuff. Okay, so that's the other one. Let's do another one. But this time I want to switch up the note and say something kind of weird. Trying to think of what I would want someone to say to me. Ooh, I know. On this next one, I'm gonna be like, "Your breath smells awesome." I think they'll appreciate that. especially if they have like chronically bad breath. Actually, maybe that's not a good idea. Oh well, we'll do it anyways. I'm sure they won't mind. Maybe we should focus on hair instead. Nah. Your breath smells awesome. Your breath smells awesome. Okay. I don't know, can you see it? Really? Okay, I'm done thinking about, oh my gosh. My neighbors are gonna hate me, bro. Alright. That is for this one. They're gonna love it. Okay. You can go right here. Cool. Oh my gosh, okay. My back hurts and I think I have like 30 of these to do. Yeah, I had so much more energy as a kid. Maybe that's why we enjoy doing everything when we're kids, because we have energy. More passion, more energy, more energy. Yeah, that would explain a lot. Man, I wish I had like a bunch of energy. I would do a lot more than I do now. I'm talking 5 a.m. gym days. Not even 5 a.m. It could be like 1 p.m. But I would still go every day. That would be a game changer. Life changing. Okay. Yeah, this is getting long, so I'm gonna say bye. And I'm gonna keep working on these goodie bags. I'll let you watch me make one more, because I know you guys love staring at my gorgeous face, my face. I'm gonna do a Twix, a Starburst, a Hershey's, an original lollipop, some Skittles, and one Ghirardelli square, and oh man, let's give them another Twix. They will like that. Let's give them another one. And this note will say something along the lines of, your smile is radiant. Heh heh. I really hope that they have nice teeth. Nice teeth are important. Okay, not nice teeth. Teeth are important in general. On this one, I drew like a little cat. Yeah. I hope they like it. Alright, now let's put this in the front. Oh my gosh. Yo! Your smile is radiant. With your kitty cat. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh, I should have did this sooner. Alrighty. And I'll just put them on like a nice little platter by the elevator. Maybe I'll put them out today because I don't know if people leave their houses that often on Sundays. So yeah, I'll put them out today. All right, y'all. It's been real. I feel like a child all over again. I'm a kid again. Okay, yeah. Kisses. See you all this Monday at 7 p.m. I'm going live. Okay, bye.